Hi, you're watching Das Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. As there is panic buying in the market regarding LPG gases, today meeting has been conducted by Cabinet Minister Sanjeev Arora. Sir, what you want to say that today you had a meeting regarding LPG gases, that there is panic in the market. What do you want to say?
I only want to request all the citizens of Ludhiana, not only Ludhiana, whole of Punjab, please do not panic. Residential LPG supplies is enough. Do not overbook and do not hold.
Sir,
The things
as
will be okay, but commercial LPG there is a shortage, and everyone is trying to see how it can be sorted out. But the best way is to replace it with natural gas as early as possible. Thank you.
So today, Cabinet Minister Sanjeev Arora, he had a detailed meeting with the district administration, including Deputy Commissioner Himanshu Jain and other officials. So various projects, whether it is regarding the development projects of the city or the projects regarding the NHAI, projects regarding the sports, regarding the sports upgradation in the district. So different projects have been discussed in this development meeting. Beside, as there is a panic regarding the LPG gases as well as fuel, so this matter has also been discussed in this today's meeting, and Sanjeev Arora clearly mentioned that there is proper supply of the household LPG gases, so there is no need to panic regarding the same. But he mentioned that there is shortage in the supply for the commercial LPG gases. For this, they are finding the solution, and he suggested all the commercial establishment that they should opt for the natural pipes, natural gases, so which is available through the pipe system, so they can avail these facilities as well. So different options are being examined by the district administration, so that there should be no panic and proper supply can be maintained. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to Das Savera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.